In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix your Messenger not working. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data because a weak connection is one of the most common reasons the app fails to load. Next, check for app update. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Messenger. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check for your device software update. For that, launch settings, go to general, click on software update. If any updates are available, just update it because older system versions can cause compatibility issues. Next, clear cache for the Messenger. For that, head back, click on iPhone storage, find Messenger and launch it. Click on Upload app, confirm it. For the Android device, press and hold on the Messenger app, click on the option app icon. Then click on storage and click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, check for the server status of Messenger. Launch your preferred browser, type in Messenger server status and search for it. Navigate to the very first one website. Once you're inside the website, if you found out any outages for the Messenger, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your Messenger should work. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.